Now it's time for some fun, courtesy of our viewers at home. Every year we issue a Father's Day YouTube challenge. In years past, we've asked you to spray Dad with a hose on Father's Day, to serve him breakfast in the shower, to dump breakfast on him in bed. We've had a lot of very bad ideas, but this year the challenge was simple. Sneak up on your father and yell, "I love you, Dad," as loud as you can. And I was starting to think this might not work, but I was very, very wrong. We got hundreds of videos. We went through all of them. We whittled it down to the best of the best. And with that said, I now invite you to feel the love in our Father's Day YouTube challenge for 2017.
Hey, Rodney, what are you guys doing?
I love you, Dad.
Oh!
I love you, Dad!
Love you, Dad!
We love you, Dad!
Thank you.
Jimmy Kimmel said to do it.
Thanks.
John, I love you! I love you, Dad!
What's wrong with you?
I love you, Dad!
You're kidding me.
Dad, I love you!
Dad, I love you! I love you, Dad!
Oh, stop it!
I love you, Dad!
Shut up!
Daddy, I love you! What? What did you say? I love you! I can't believe that! I love you, Dad!
Hey!
We love you, Dad! I love you, Dad!
Damn it!
I love you, Dad.
I am gonna stick that thing so far up your ass, you're gonna taste it. Do you understand me?
I love you! Happy Father's Day!
Really?
Love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day, Jimmy.
Thanks to all the kids. Umpires, it's all